So let's get started to the video. My first slime is this mango sparkle slime. It's like so nice. I don't know, it's not that sticky. So yeah, it's nice mango sparkle slime. Look this, I'm gonna call it pumpkin pie slime. Pumpkin pie slime, guys. And it's like really cute and glittery. It's like orange glitter in it. I don't know why I call it mango, but I was like the only fruit I could think of. And like, the volcano is just legit. Next slime is this slime, but I had to take a little bit out. So, yes. This slime is like sticky, but it's not sticky. And it doesn't have a good poking noise. It's just like a pretty rushed slime. And like it has like nice little glitter speckles in it. I named it unicorn. Unicorn slime. Unicorn poop slime. So this is the unicorn poop slime. And I'm going to go to the next slime. This is my best friend's Juju slime. I made it for her. And this is basically called disco ball slime. Because it has like these little things in it. And it looks like a disco ball. It doesn't have a poking noise. It doesn't have a nice swirl. And it's like, can't stretch a whole lot. It's super sticky. You don't have to add no more activator into it. It's just not sticky. Like, it's not sticky like it sticks to your hand. But it's like, it's sticky. It comes off your hands, guys. Next slime. This slime is a nice slime. I need to hurry up because it's going to run out of minutes. And I made it with borax. And it's a clear slime with gold glitter in it. And it's like so pretty. Has a nice poking noise, and it's like doesn't stretch a whole lot. And I'm gonna put it back, and I'm gonna show you nice. This is my slime that I made for my best friend.